and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you my master bathroom makeover. I want to show you the before and now this is the after. Okay, and a few things you're going to need are a sanding machine, primer, foam painting rolls, a drain brush, a tray, painting cones, 100 grit sandpaper, and the colors I used are Pure Gray and Pure White by Sherwin-Williams. Okay, so to start this project, the first thing you're going to need to do is inspect your cabinets and just make sure that they are in good condition and don't need to be replaced. Something to keep in mind is that you will need a sanding machine. I was trying to do all of this with just sanding paper, and let me tell you, it took me a very long time and things were just taking forever. I did look it up, and this is a proper way of sanding. You always have to go against the grain, just like how I'm showing you here. The next thing you're going to do is start priming your cabinets using the foam roller. I did use the paintbrush for the corners. I let things dry 2 hours, and I gave it 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of the grayish color. The next thing I did was paint my bathroom walls. I'm starting to decorate this room, and a lot of our items are from IKEA, from Home Goods, Target. I really just used things that I already had at home. And this is how things turned out. So I really hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. I will try and share with you guys a little bit more organizational videos. I've been really into organizing my home and lots of little projects here and there, so I'll be sharing more with you guys. So I do want to say this took me about a month to get done because I really wanted to give myself that opportunity to not stress out and to really just give myself that time to learn and enjoy the process of transforming our bathroom. And that's why it took me like 30 days to get done. And I just wanted to share that because I feel like a lot of times when we're learning something new and something that we're not used to doing, it can come as something challenging and something that you probably just want to give up on and not do. But overall, I'm so happy how this turned out, and just wanted to say that you have to be patient with the process. It may not take you a month, it might take you less. So this is all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.